Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope you guys all had a great 4th of July. And if you were able to go watch fireworks, I hope they were spectacular. So today I am unboxing my Peep delivery box. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this video enough to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And that line never gets old because I really do appreciate it. So let's get into it. This box, I want to say, is $39.95, maybe a little shipping and handling. But of course, as always, I will leave a price. It'll go across the screen. And I'm not sure if I have a discount for this one, but if I do, that will be at the bottom as well. And they always package this in such cute packaging with their little pink truck. So I hope you guys are all surviving. I'm not sure what state you're from. If you want to leave that below, what state you're from. I know here in Arizona, we're back on lockdown. We live kind of far from the stores and the malls and everything, so it really doesn't affect me that much. You know, the grocery stores, they are what they are. I think pretty much everybody wears masks, and I was at Walmart the other day, and I think they require you to wear masks. They have like 2 people there when you walk in, and they check everybody for masks. And I went to go on Amazon to order something, and like 5 different places I went to on Amazon to get something, they're like, oh, we don't deliver in that area. So I'm not sure if it was because everything comes from Phoenix and, you know, we're on like the top, but it's just like crazy. So I hope you guys are all doing safe. And being the good mother I am, as I'm trying to get in the box, I call my kids, like, you know, every day, because, you know, they're in that young age now that's getting it. And excuse me, my struggles are real with my boxes. Okay, I'm back. I was able to beat the box. And their boxes, like a lot of the boxes, they have theme boxes. So I'm going to check and see what the theme of their box is. They put like, this is what their sheet looks like, and this is how it comes wrapped. And I'll take out my trusty thing. This is refresh, relax, and rewind with our jukebox. And I love these kinds where they kind of tell you a story with their items. And they do put the prices, I think, of everything on here. So we're so excited to bring this month's box to you. Let's face it, we've had a rough few months, and quietness and tranquility are hard to come by, especially with social distancing, closing salons, spas, and gyms. They must have read my mind. Our summer tranquility box is a theme of self-care and relaxation. We hope you love this as much as we do. This box is almost sold out before we published it. Don't wait to order. It features $121.99 in merchandise for just $35. Oh, it's $35. Order yours today. Well, I must have, because I have it. So now we go into everything that's in it. And the first thing I see, and who does not love these, is the sponge gel. And it's on a rope. And this is, let's see what we got. Sponge Gel Body Buffer. It retails for $14 and comes in various scents. Oh my goodness, coconut verbena. I don't think I have one of these. Just gonna leave it right here so it can smell up the space. And then we have, oh, by Face Story. I love getting their stuff. And this is Everyday Pearl Brightening Mask. Put it too close. And let's see what that retails for. $5. Oh, it's a succulent. Let me get the tag out of the way. Can you see that? Am I gonna kill it? There's no plants because they all die. Even the ones that the florists say, oh no, nobody's gonna kill this baby, it dies. And wow, this is really nice. See what it says about this. This is, oh, here we go. Oh, it's a fake. Well, I can probably still manage to knock that puppy off. Faux succulent in hand carved planter retails for $16. But oh, I mean, doesn't it look real? Doesn't smell. I like that one though. Great box. I'm not sure what this is. It's all wrapped up. Now this is a great themed box. And this is, looks like it's a bottle that I'll probably shoot across the room. I have my scissors here. Let me know if anybody else gets this box and if they thought that that was real, the plant. So, looks like this. And it has jewelry in there. It's a nice little bottle. And it's gold. Oh, it's like pearls. Can you see that? It's like puka shells. Remember puka shells? I could probably wear this with this dress. I don't know if I can get it on, but that's really nice. Now, I'm normally a silver wearer, but I might make an exception. So let's check this one out. This is Freshwater Pearl Necklace. It retails for $20 and it comes in different styles. So I do like that. And then we got this heavy thing. I'm assuming maybe it's a lotion because I see a pump. This is a great themed box, especially for this time. As I said, we can't really go anywhere. I can't go to the nail salon. I went when we were in, what was it, phase 1 or phase 2 the last time. I did go to the nail salon and it was just a disaster. I don't know about your nail salons in your areas, but they just opened up and they let everybody come in. They didn't have the, you know, make an appointment, wait. I mean, it was just filled with people waiting. You know, they do 10 minutes, just wait 10 minutes. And I'm like, no, I'm not going again. So I will wait for it to come out. And once I get my nails off, I'll just have to do my own nails. And this is Sponge Gel. Oh, it's the coconut verbena body lotion to match. Shea butter, argan, and macadamia oil. But look at the size. See the size of this? And I'm loving this box. And this, I don't even see it. Sponge All Body Lotion is $20. So if I got this as a gift, I would be happy. So I did get it in my box. So I'm super happy. And I think there's one more thing. This is a great box. Oh, it's a big thing. It's the Silk Eye Mask, your sleep secret for a better night's sleep. Now, I'm not going to open it because it looks like a beautiful eye mask. It has a case and there's an eye mask in there. And it says 100% silk sleep mask with case, $44.99. And I have a couple of eye masks, so I am not going to open this. I don't know how many subscribers I have, but I'm hopefully close to 4,500. And I am doing a giveaway once I reach 4,500. And the reason I'm kind of getting it ready now is because I want to add things to that giveaway. So I am going to add this sleep mask to that giveaway. So once I reach it, then I'm going to do the giveaway. So just keep watching. Please share my videos so that I can get there. And I'm going to put this aside in the box that I have going for that giveaway. But overall, I love this box. As I said, we do get a lot of nice sleep masks in our unboxings, and this is no different. I'm gonna keep this out on my filming desk because I loved it, and I love the fact I can't kill it. And I am going to actually wear this. We will be going back to Washington probably the end of next week, since the cases in Arizona are so much higher. And so we'll be hiding out in Washington up in the mountains, but we will be doing boating, and I think this will be great to wear out in the water. Well, not in the water, but when we go near the water. And I'm going to be packing these to bring with. We were gonna fly. We're like, no more driving. We're just gonna fly back and forth to Washington. But the planes, they're saying now, are so crowded that they're filling them to capacity. So we decided we're just gonna drive back. He told me, he goes, you only get one suitcase, pretend we're flying. You only get one carry-on bag to bring into the car. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna sneak all this on. We got that, and we got a mask. So I thought this was a totally awesome box this month. And what they do is they give us a little sneak preview in the next box. So if you really enjoy this box, it does sell out. And it says, July is going to be hot. Summer is heating up, and our July box is going to be hot. Check some of the awesome items you'll find in your box next month. We're including a satin pillowcase to keep your skin smooth, along with original makeup eraser and a pineapple waist bag. Okay then. Maui Soap Company sunscreen, a leatherette jewelry accessory tray, and some other awesome goodies. The July box will be guaranteed to get you will be guaranteed to get your box before it's sold out. But I have to share the pineapple waist bag. That's, I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it looks like. So if you have a young daughter or a granddaughter, that would be so adorable. So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend with me. Leave comments below. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.